So we are extremely glad to have you here, and what a better way to kickstart the SRK Film Festival than have you here amongst us. May I please request you to unveil the festival and also say a few words, please.
Thank you very much, and apologies, I'm a little down with fever, so I'm not very well. So sorry for the delay, and sorry for making all of you wait. This is really sweet of PVR. I think apart from it being a thought in terms of entertainment, it's just personally a very sweet gesture that they would do a film festival of sorts for a week leading up to the release of a new film, which stars Kajol, myself, Kriti, Varun, Johnny Bhai, Boman Irani, directed by Rohit Shetty, which will release next week. So this festival in PVR leads up to the release of Dilwale, the film which has been made this year, 2015. So it starts today with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, which of course is one of the most special films to all of us who have been part of it, and has been made special only because of all of you, that you have liked it and kept looking at it for last 20 years, even if it's in small numbers. But the love for Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge has been completely constant and completely unexpected for anyone in the world, not just in India. Of course, like I've said before, none of the credit of that can go to the actors or any of the creative members of the team, because when a film does the kind of business that Dilwale does, not in terms of monies but in terms of liking, I think it's the reason is the people who attach themselves to the story of a film and the emotions, and decide that somewhere they see their lives reflected in the story that is being told. So it has nothing to do with us, but we are happy to take the credit standing here. This festival will have different films, as has been stated. I'm sure there's a program telling you that. Like I said, starts with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, there's Chak De, there's Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. And when we were called upon, we all have been busy trying to release the film, so we took this time out specifically. And again, I apologize because we are working till 5, 6 in the morning, and all of us are falling sick. Kajol is very tough. Nothing is happening to her. Kriti and Varun are younger, but I think I'm suffering running around, and so is Rohit a little bit. But he's also very tough. So I'm the least tough person in this film, so I'm falling sick again and again. But I'm here mainly because we thought if we are releasing a film Dilwale, we'll take this opportunity to all of you who've come here, and I've been made to understand a set of you goes on to watch, be the first people to see the film on the 17th, which is Dilwale, by Rohit Shetty. So it's nice that you're starting the journey here. I hope you enjoy some of the films that you see here, and finally come and enjoy the new offering that we have from Rohit Shetty. And just to begin that, we thought we'll have a little bit of a storytelling, a little more. We've done all our trailers, we've done all our songs, and I think the idea was basically to inform people about the film over a set or a unit of 20 days instead of just a trailer or a song. So we are coming nearly to the end of the 20 days. Then we started talking about Dilwale, which has been made now. This is very confusing. I have to keep saying, okay, this Dilwale. And what we thought is we'll show you another snippet, just in case. Raj and Simran, what happened to them after they got onto the train? Everybody thinks, so this
and
Dilwale
had a personality makeover.
Yeah, had a personality makeover. She grew a beard, I grew a little fat. No, the other way around, sorry. But the idea was, obviously this Dilwale is not a continuation of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. It's a completely different story. The only aspect of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is that both of us are doing a film together 20 years, which is kind of a love story, but set very differently. The intensity, the starkness, and perhaps even the issues that we deal with in the love story that we have changed as the years have gone past. I think it is more modern, it is more real, and it is more intense than Dilwale in its own way. No comparing the two, but this is a different take on a love story between Raj and Simran. She's Meera, I'm still Raj, I haven't changed. So we thought we'll create a little bit of a 2.5, 3 minute showing you the drama or the intensity of love that happens in this Dilwale, and then move on to showing you Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.